Hi everyone, this is the first video where I am using my own voice. That's cool, and in this particular video I will try to cover every single details about grid logo design. How can we draw a perfect logo for our brand? Some cool easiest way to draw a logo. So let's go. Bro, where is my intro? Okay, now if you want a perfect logo, then you need two things. Three things actually. Anyway, first one, draw your imagination. Just take a pencil and draw what actually you think about your logo. You don't have to be a good artist. Just draw what do you think and what do you want. It is hard. I know it is so hard to draw a attractive and cool logo in first attempt, so you have to practice more and more. Cause practice makes a man perfect designer. Second thing, you need a laptop or a computer. You don't need a high config laptop for your drawing this type of logo actually. So don't worry. Now you have to open Adobe Illustrator and follow my steps properly. Oh, by the way, the third point is, as I know you are awesome, please subscribe this channel because awesome people makes everything awesome. Let's open Adobe Illustrator. You can use any artboard. Here I am using 1000 into 1000 pixel. Create a new document. Now select the polygon tool and draw a triangle. Take the line segment tool and draw a line. You have to draw 10 lines. If you want to copy a line perfectly, just hold Alt key and drag your mouse. Now group all the lines together and transform into 120 degree. You can see our lines will be perfectly matched with our triangle. Remove the triangle and select the group of lines. Right click on your mouse, select transform and rotate. Always try to rotate in 90 degree. Again, select new group and go to transform, reflect them. Then select every line and take shape builder tool, hold Alt key again and draw your logo. You have to be careful when you are drawing, so take time for better logo. After drawing, use your fill color and move the logo, delete other lines. Take the pen tool and draw exactly same and delete the first one. You can use direct selection tool and resize logos corner. Sometimes you have to cut off extra part. You can use shape builder tool. Select all the shape, take shape builder tool, hold alt and click which part you want to remove. Here I am using my 3 favorite color combination. You can also use them. Those colors are so attractive like you, and in this way you can easily draw a minimal grid logo. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Please comment and how can I improve my video, which topic we should discuss in our next video. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.